China, the biggest advantage is that China just has more data. It's a huge country. The government is less concerned about privacy than, say, the European Union, so it allows huge databases to be built up. It also just the economy here. You know, in the United States, Google has a lot of data on online behavior, but in China, the online and the offline are connected. You know, you go online, you look at a restaurant, then it's delivered to your house. And so the online to offline economy here generates data of a type you don't have in other countries. So China has a huge and durable data advantage.
In many countries and also in China, the issue is this. See, in terms of people who have the resources, they can hire good lawyers, they can go to the court, they can afford litigations. And in terms of people who qualify for legal aid, again, they can go to the court. But for people who are in the middle, they are stuck. If we look at AI, what AI has, in terms of the AI's advantages over humans, AI can work 24/7, AI is free, and that's why in many countries, certain AI applications have been designed so that AI can offer free and low-level advice to a lot of people. Of course, in terms of more tricky legal issues, people will turn to real human judges, human lawyers. But in terms of simple legal questions, AI can do a lot more to mitigate against this lack of access to justice problem.
The deep learning kind of artificial intelligence that looks at massive, collections of data is limited by what's in the data. So if that data is infected with bias, if we live in a world where women are discriminated against and it's predicting who succeeds, it will predict that women won't succeed, not because they're not capable, but because the data reflects bias against women historically. You can also have racism, nationality, all sorts of bias.
In terms of using AI as independent judge, I think we are far away from achieving that goal. However, AI can help judges to do a better job, not just in terms of judges, but in terms of lawyers and many other professions. Because AI can access or analyze a vast amount of data and then provide certain insights offered to the judge so that relying on those insights, human judges can make better decisions.